Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this program, Dalal Street Week Ahead. First, I've come back to India. So for next 2 weeks, I will be in India. So after 2 weeks, I'll be flying back to Dubai. That's number one. Now, Nifty, what happened last week? It was just a consolidation between 24,000 and 24,500. So that was there for the whole week. In fact, you can say whole month also we can say. The first week, in October series, the first week, the Nifty fell, and then after that, for the next 4 weeks, it was just a consolidating only. So last week especially, it was between 24 and 24,500 only. And we have already discussed, even the last week also I discussed, 23,900 is the ultimate support. 24,000 to 23,900. The swing low for the last few months is, that was an intraday low, not the positional low. It was around 23,800. So therefore, for this month, for the month of November, we can assume that 23,800 is a very good support. A coming week, the next 5 trading session is going to be very difficult, mainly because of the US elections. Now, what happens in US elections? If there is a clear winner, then the results will be declared within a day. So that means, Tuesday election is there. So, by our time, Indian time, Tuesday night, elections will be over. Wednesday morning, before we open the market around 9:15, the results will be clear. That was the case in 2016. But last time, 4 years before 2022, that was not the 2020. That was not the case. Because it was neck to neck results. So if that happens, it may take 4 or 5 days. There were some elections where even they have taken 1 month also to declare the results. So if there is a clear winner, if the results are over, and then, so the event is over, the volatility index will fall, then the markets will stabilize. It goes up or down, it's a different story, but at least it will stabilize. But if there is no clear winner, then, the lot of volatility will be there. But again, if US markets are volatile, so what it has got to do with India? But stock market doesn't work like that. As and when US markets are volatile, Indian markets will also be volatile. So therefore, next week, the major event is the US election results. Now, also the Fed meeting is there. But usually, the Fed meeting outcome will be coming on Wednesday night, but this time, so it is coming on Thursday night. So that means Friday morning only we will be reacting. But Fed is expected to cut the rate by 25 basis points, and I think they will go by that. Coming back to our market, auto sales data, doesn't seems to be very good, but Hero MotoCorp results seems to be very good. And moreover, when this auto company says, we sold 20,000 car, we sold 30,000 car, what we think, so we think that, the 20,000 car or 30,000 car is bought by the people. That is actually not the truth. If a company says they sold 30,000 car, so they sold it to the dealers. So they have sold 30,000 cars to the dealers. But whether the dealers sold the same 30,000 cars to the public or not, that we do not know. As per a latest report, there is about 8 lakh cars are lying with the dealers. They are not able to sell. So sometimes, this data, they are not 100% reliable. So unless you know how many cars were bought by the people, so the data is not complete. So many times, these people say, they can say just to show the bigger numbers, these companies, may incentivize the dealers also, you take this, we will see in future. all kinds of things can happen. No, so India is a country where, you can't expect justice everywhere. So, Tata Motors and Mahindra will be in focus this week because they both will be coming out with the results. I think M&M auto sales seems to be good, but Tata Motors is slightly down. In addition to Tata Motors and Mahindra, Titan, SBI, Dr. Reddy are some of the other companies that are set to declare results, but we are anyway coming closer to the end of the result season. Now, if you are looking at the other usual data like, manufacturing PMI data, services PMI data, this and that will be coming. But if you want to look at the bigger picture for the month of November, 24,000 put option seems to be having the highest open interest, but however, it's just 3,300 points away. That too because of yesterday's rally of 100 point in a Muhurat trading. Otherwise, it's just 200 points away. But the people believe because the market has already fallen so much, people think it's not going to fall more. However, on the higher side, although 25,000 call has the highest open interest, but equal number of puts are also there. So therefore, it is a people who have taken 25,000 short straddle maybe 1 or 2 weeks before, when the markets were around 25,000. So otherwise, if you exclude that, the highest open interest is 25,500. So my opinion is that, in this month of November, it will be about 20 trading sessions. I think Nifty will be trading between 23,800 and 25,500. So that is the range I'm keeping in my mind. 23,800, the reason is very, very simple. If market closes below that, there is no hope. The next support is only at 22,000. Markets can fall drastically. October is usually a bullish month. In a bullish month, if the markets have done so badly, traditionally November and December, they are lackluster month for our markets, especially the December. So 23,800 is the ultimate support. So therefore, I'm expecting the market to take support from there. And on the higher side, if there is a technical bounce, because the Nifty has fallen roughly about 2,000 points in the month of October, a 50% retracement, or what these people call mean reversion. So that can take the market to 25,300 also, because the highest is 26,300. Yesterday closing 24,300. So it's about 2,000 point. 1,000 point rally is possible, a technical bounce or mean reversion kind of things. So I'm just planning to take one trade tomorrow. So maybe I can show you what is that trade. And okay, so this is a trade I'm planning to take. I'm planning to buy one put option, 24,500. Last traded price was 450 rupees. And planning to sell 2 lots of 23,800 put option. The reason is very simple. I'm expecting 23,800 to be a very, very strong support. And then I'm planning to sell one 25,300 call option also. So as I told you, the 50% Fibonacci retracement or mean reversion is somewhere around 25,300. So although highest open interest is 25,500, but I'm selling 25,300 call. So when you do this, the probability of profit is about 73%, and maximum profit is only when market closes around 23,800 by the end of November. That will be about 24% return on the capital. But remember, this is an unlimited risk strategy. For one or the other reason, market shoots beyond 25,500, or market fall below 23,000, because your lower break even is 23,100 to 25,300. So it's roughly about 2,500 point range, right? For one other reason, if market crashes below 23,081, there is a unlimited risk. So what one can do, you do not want to take the unlimited risk, you can buy some weekly put options, around this 23,100. You may have to spend some money, but you are protected from black swan event. Right? The net credit in this strategy is about 478 rupees. The margin deployed is roughly about 72,000 rupees. So this trade, of course, I am not the one who will be taking the trade and holding on to the trade for the entire month. Along the way, I will be keep adjusting a lot of positions. But this strategy looks better, apparently, looking at the open interest and other things. Right? So, because today there is nothing much to discuss, so that's why I've taken one strategy. I spent time to explain that. So, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.